Good day guys, good day South Africans, everyone that is based in South Africa, good morning and everyone that is outside of South Africa. My name is Mr. Shah guys. I'm going to do a review in this beautiful website. Guys, we know that everywhere unemployment is just a mess everywhere. People are looking for jobs, there are actually no jobs out there, but there are those companies also that are offering jobs that have different opportunities. Some of the reason why people they don't end up getting access to these opportunities or to these employment opportunities simply because maybe they don't have access to them, or they don't have access to online, or some of them they don't have access to gadgets that they can use to access them online. Some of them they don't have internet, some of them they don't have different reasons why people they can't access some of the opportunities that are out there. Yes, unemployment is actually at this point bothering everyone. Everyone is worried about what is actually basically happening. Graduates are sitting back at home and doing nothing. But guys, don't lose heart. Don't lose heart, because there are people out there that are actually trying to do all their best to make sure that they bring to you guys every opportunity that is actually out there. Now, I want you guys to look at this website. This website has been actually around for quite some time now. Have helped a lot of people at this point in time. We have seen as well guys, about more than 5,000 to 10,000 people daily visiting this website and also applying opportunities that are made available on this website. This website is simply called www.approvejobs.co.za, or you can actually just copy this this link here and then be able also to just check it out as well and go through it. Now, if you come down here, you can see this is how this beautiful website looks like. It's Approved Jobs, known as one of the leading jobs portals in South Africa. Now you can see actually this website has different kind of jobs, right? Different popular and trending ones. You can see also right now guys, today is actually the 17th. There are actually opportunities that were actually posted yesterday on the 16th. And then also if you go down, you will be able also to see different kind of positions that are open from different companies. And also you can see that if you look at this is number one, and if you continue until 142, that means there are more thousands and thousands of jobs listed here. Also, if maybe you scroll down, you will also be able to see the other opportunities down there, and then also be able to see this is actually the complete website. And the other thing that you can do guys as well on this website, you can actually also try to follow this this website, and then also everything that they do. Also, I think they are there on Facebook, they are also there on Twitter, and also those ones who are looking for any fast applications, you can check out here, right here, also be able to apply. And also for the latest actually Z83 application form, you can actually come and check it out, because if you are applying for any government job or any job that you are using Z83, you need to actually use the latest one. You will always see the application form down at the bottom of each and every page. There's initials. If you use anything that is not that, then that application will not be considered. Now also guys, if you come down here, you will be able to see here there will be just different position also playing around here, and also on top here, and then also here these are actually the latest opportunities that were actually posted. Now if you come here, you will be able to see there's home, there's actually educational jobs. Under educational jobs you get CETA jobs, you get bursaries, you get college jobs, university jobs, learnerships, metrics section for grade 12, and then also cryptocurrency education as well. And also if you're looking for internship, you can just come and click here. Looking for learnerships, teaching jobs as well, you can check them also out here. And then you also have government jobs. In government jobs, you're looking at jobs on the national government jobs, provincial government jobs, and also municipalities. And then also if you're looking for the latest government circulars, you can also check them out here. Those who are looking for admin, clerks and receptionists, administrative officers, administrative clerks as well, you can be able also to come and check them out here. And now there are those who don't have grade 12, right? We're looking for also employment. We also have those employment opportunities as well. You can come and check it out here. General works, cleaning, different kind of works, you can check them out here. And also here you have another tab that is talking about more jobs, where you can find accounting jobs. These are accounting, finance jobs, and the supply chain, and also you have HR jobs, IT jobs, experience jobs. This is just a mix of different jobs, and uncategorized jobs as well. You can find them. If you are looking for jobs on the bank sector, you can be able also to check it out there. And also you're looking for engineering, you can check it out. Hospitals, you're talking about nurses, registered nurses, and different kind of jobs that you can find from the hospital sector. Now if you are looking for interview tips, you can actually come and check them out to prepare for interviews. hotels jobs, security guards jobs, and also if you are looking for an opportunity to get your CV revamped and then also cover letter, we have we have actually partnered with another company called Nile Publishers. What they do, they revamp your CV, they revamp your covering letter, and what other thing that they also do, guys, is this. Also, this platform that they have that can be able to actually review your CV and be able also to score your CV and tell you the score of your CV, and then they can also be able to fix it to a point where it can get to that 100% score where your CV can actually be attractive to any employer that can actually be looking at that particular CV. So it's a great and amazing opportunities. You can check if we can just open this one, so please you can go and check it out, guys. Contact them, talk to them, let them help you. I think you can also WhatsApp them if I'm not mistaken. So we did this because we saw the need and we thought it's not just about applying jobs, it's actually having the right documentations, the right CV, the right covering letter, everything in place for you to be able to apply. Now also you can see there are 9 publishers. This is actually their services and also how they charge, and also they're saying that if you want your CV to be reviewed, you can also WhatsApp them. They review your CV and they will actually show you all the results and tell you what is it that your CV needs for you to update, for them to update all that. Then they will actually talk to you about the cost and all that. Now if you come down here, you can see also this is what they are offering. The CV will create CV in less than an hour and get the job you want. Now also they talk about a cover letter, and then you can see also they are saying we write a cover letter that convinces employers you are the best, right? Now you can see also they're talking about LinkedIn profile, very, very important profile that you should have, especially if you are a job seeker or looking for employment. And also they are talking about the CV review. We check your resume and score it, so they will be able to tell you. So if you're actually maybe trying to maybe if you want their service, you can actually WhatsApp them in this number 067-849-5670, or you can actually send them an email, and then also guys be able also to be in touch with them. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, but most importantly I want to show you all these opportunities that are available. If you're looking for security jobs, you can find them. You're looking for any employment from the hotels, these are actually all the hotels, lodges, every opportunities from that sector you can be able to find here. Those ones who are looking for jobs from any hospitals, any nursing positions, you can come and check it out also under hospital jobs. Engineering jobs, we're talking about mechanical, electrical, and also all these engineering jobs that you may know of. You can also be able to check them out there, and also maybe to just give you a taste of what you can find. If you look under internships, to just give you a taste of what you can find from this website. For me, I feel like this website is actually has everything that most of people are looking for. So if you are graduating from varsity or college or any institution, guys, you can check it out here. You can see they have also internships from the Leto, KZN Department of Social Development. They have actually learnerships. You can see also some Chrome, and then engineering traineeships, and also you can see also different kind of opportunities that you can see different kind of all these internships. So there's quite a lot of them. You can see here, if you continue to click here, you will be able to take it from number 1 until 49. So you have roughly about thousands also internships available as well. And then also if you're looking for admin jobs, guys, you can be able also to come and check them out as well. And then you will be able to see that they have actually available opportunities on a daily basis. I want you guys to go and check it out. Now also those ones also, maybe if you are looking for, I'll actually try my level best to make sure that I put all the links on the description of this video. Now check it out. Also it will take you to Twitter, it will take you to Facebook, it will take you to LinkedIn, it will take you guys also. I'll also put all down also the website where you can just go and check the position that you are looking for and then be able to apply. You see also draft public receptionist also needed, textbook clerk, receptionist, HR administrator, credit controller, and then data capturer, administrative clerk, and then also you have senior administration clerk as well. You can see also accounting clerk, different kind of opportunities there as well. And then also, if maybe you're looking for jobs around, maybe if you don't have to travel and you're looking for jobs, you can also be able to come and just check them out here and then be able also to apply. Just make sure that guys, you apply and then you send all those applications out there. Now if you come down here quickly, you will be able to see cashiers are needed, general maintenance workers are needed, school cleaners, you can see retail store assistants, cashiers, retail store assistants, cosmetics, merchandise, maintenance foreman, floor assistant, general worker, different kind of positions that are there, and also they are open. One thing that I can assure you, this is a very, very much legit website that also gathers all legit jobs and put them in one place for everyone to come and apply. Now, if you are looking for categories where you can find all these jobs, you can simply come and click here and then be able to check all these different categories. You just click that category, it will open the jobs that are there on that particular category. Excuse me. Now, this is actually what is happening now. The recent posts there, you can have them. One thing that I've realized about this website, they have posts that they are posting on a daily basis. It's an amazing stuff. So go and check it out, guys. Share it with your family and friends. Share it with all the job seekers out there, and make sure that we actually fight this unemployment together. Guys, until I see you on the next one, I'm out.